Okay, this is our John Deere M that we're continuing a tune-up on and some other things. We got most of the wiring all fixed. We've adjusted the generator. I went ahead and put points in it, set the point gap, and I just wanted to show you how you can check and make sure that you got fire before you ever try to start it. To make sure that we got our points correct and they are making contact, it's real simple to do a test on them real quick. So I'll just turn the switch on. Switch is on, and I'll break these points apart. That's going to work just fine. So are they working? Okay, this is all good. We'll finish up by putting a little moisture barrier in here. It helps keep the corrosion down. And again, that product is non-flammable. It keeps the corrosion down and is a protectant for moisture. This product we use here is an engine oil additive, Engine Honey, formerly IXL, and it lubricates a lot of things. And we're just going to put a couple drips in the top of there and keep that wick lubricated. So the distributor cap came out fine. We glass bead them and check them for cracks and anything like that. And it's in good shape. We glass beat it lightly and paint it up. It's in good shape. There's our old rotor, new rotor. I wanted to make a point here. So here's our old points. You can see they're quite burned, even to the point where there's some black debris on the bottom of it there. You can see that. And then they're closed up. Now, I wanted to make a point that what causes that is the microfarad capacitance of the condenser is way off. That's why they're burned like that, and that's why a lot of contact assemblies burn up, because the microfarad capacitance is not correct. So right in here I've cleaned up the wiring. These John Deere M's have a headlight switch, which is part of the charging system. In this tractor, that part didn't work, so I went ahead and grounded the field, and the cutout is below this. And we adjust our field by the third brush in the generator. Okay, this is our 3-brush generator. This tractor doesn't have headlights, so we really only need about 4, 5, 6, maybe 8 amps at the maximum. So that's what this third brush is. The closer this brush is to that brush, the more output. So I've got this generator set about 5 to 6 amps, and we turn this screw on the back, loosen it, slide the brush, and we get our output. So because we don't have a regulator and we're grounding the field on that end, we're just utilizing the armature output to about, again, 5 amps because we have no headlights. So this fuse was a push and turn fuse. It was a factory thing behind the dash, which is next to impossible to get at. So I went ahead and removed it, and we installed a dash mounted fuse like this assembly here, which is way easier to get at. So this was the original wire that was in here, and there's no protection whatsoever from here up to the dash and anywhere else in the tractor other than that 20 amp fuse. This piece right here is a piece of fusible link that I recommend that you can install in here, and this will protect the electrical system in case there's a major short. This will burn in two and save the wiring harness.